Hello my fashionistas, you're welcome to Yvonne Winifred UG. This video today is about the cutting and sewing over collar. It is a continuation of the very last video that I uploaded, a video of about a shirt dress that has bishop sleeves. So if you've just met this channel, kindly subscribe so that you join the family and hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much. Let's get into the video. This collar has two pieces that are joined together or even can be cut together. So after getting your neckline circumference, all this part here, mine is 19 inches. You're going to cut two pieces. This is the first one that is kind of a bishop collar. So let's work on this first. So the length is folded into two, and even the width is also folded into two. So it is 19 inches divided by 2. I have about 9.5 inches plus half an inch for sewing. That is why I'm working with 10 inches like that. So I've already marked here, but let me show you what I marked. So that is where the 10 inches stop. So from this 10 inches I moved in by 1.5 inches, and even on this lower side from up I moved down by 1.5 inches, and I carved out just like that. So that is the first piece that will be down, that connects directly to the main dress. So this other piece also, the upper one, I'm showing you from the right sides of these pieces, as you see. So it is also folded into two, length folded into two, and the width is folded into two. So now I have my two pieces. As I'm showing you, that is how they will be sitting at on the dress. So this also, we need 10 inches first, and then I'm going to just mark at the lower part. I'm just going to mark the 1.5 inches again. You can even make 1.25 inches just like that and connect. So that is okay, that is all we need. Seam allowance is also included. So from there I can just cut out like this. I carve out as I cut. By the way, the width that I'm working with here is about 2.5 inches on fold, 2.5 inches for this on fold. So this upper part also can be, the upper part is also going to be cut into two, just as you see me doing. So on the top I have some sewing allowance, and even at the bottom there is sewing allowance. So the entire piece will be 1.5 inches after all the sewing. So that is the reason why I'm telling you I have 2.5 inches on fold as the width for this piece. Remember, they are now two because we've separated them. They are now two. So bringing back this other piece also, so my markings are on the right side, for easy remembrance of everything. I also cut out this, but this is on a straight line, it's not curved, it's just a straight line. So this is what I have. So this other upper piece is about 3 inches on fold. When unfolded it is 6 inches, half inch for sewing what on the top and even below. So it will be sandwiched in the middle of the other first bishop collar that we cut. Hope you're understanding. So this is what I have so far. This is what I've cut so far, and I think you're seeing that it is simple. So this piece I will take it onto the wrong side before sandwiching it into the other bishop collar, wrong side, and then I will sew by half an inch here. Remember, we left that half an inch, and when I come at the middle here I measure about 1/2 inch, and I connect from that half inch to the ends of the other, or to the sewing allowance that I left. So in the middle it is a little bit curved. and after sewing it, taking it to the right side, that is when I'll be sandwiching it in between the bishop collar like this. So I'll have to make sure I mark the midpoints of all these collars, all these pieces of collars, and I'll put this like this, right sides facing each other, and even turn the other like this, right sides facing each other. Make sure the midpoints are aligning. In the middle there, they will be aligning. And then when I'll flip it after sewing, this is how it will look like. So this collar is simple, it's not that difficult. That is how it will be. So let's get to the sewing machine. So the upper piece, the first one, is this. By the way, I forgot to tell you, but you have to add some stiff or add some interfacing so that the collar can stand very neatly and very well. It will be looking nice and professionally done. So even onto this other piece, you just add some interfacing onto one piece, or even onto the both pieces if your interfacing is light, but mine was hard enough, so that's what I have. So this is what I told you of sandwiching. You see, this other top part is sandwiched between these two pieces, the two pieces that are the bishop collars, and I just run a straight stitch of 0.5 inches, and after I just take my collar and flip it to the right side. Let me show you when it is onto the right side. So this is the collar. It is done quickly and simply done. So this is the collar, guys. After here, I can just take it and join it to the main dress by 1/2 inch, and that will be all. So thank you so much for watching. This is the beautiful collar, and this is it onto the dress. If you have any questions, please comment below. Are you seeing how the collar is neatly done and joined onto the dress? So that's it, guys. I hope I will see you next. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share all these videos that I share with you. I'll be seeing you soon.